This video is brought to you by Mahalakshmi Jewelers, Mobile Master, Frespresso Coffee Shop, New Sun Fabrics Cloth Store, and by Madina Chicken World.
I'm straight. I'm straight. I'm straight. I'm straight. I'm straight. I'm straight.
यहाँ पे मैं रेगुलर आता हूँ तो स्टूडियो लेन इट्स बीन 1.5 ईयर आई हैव बीन कमिंग हियर। तो इनका सर्विस काफ़ी अच्छा है, बहुत फ्रेंडली है यहाँ पे जो स्टाफ है एंड टेलीफोन बुकिंग वगैरह हो जाता है। और ऑल सर्विसेज मैंने मोस्ट ऑफ द सर्विसेज यूज़ किया एंड आई थिंक आई वुड रेट 5 out of 5 और 10 out of 10 फॉर ऑल द सर्विसेज। इट्स ग्रेट, एक्सेलेंट। आई वुड रिकमेंड ऑल ऑफ यू, प्लीज़ डू विजिट स्टूडियो लेन, कम फॉर इट्स अ ग्रेट सर्विस।
वेल हेलो एवरीबॉडी, दिस तार अब्बास और आप सब देख रहे हैं गोहैश। फिलहाल हम हैं स्टूडियो 11 सलून एंड स्पा में। हमें वक्त दे रहे हैं सुधीर पारछा जी, जो कि सेल्स हेड हैं स्टूडियो 11 के। वेलकम टू आवर शो सुधीर जी। स्टूडियो 11 काफ़ी अच्छा परफॉर्म कर रहा है फ्रॉम लास्ट 1 year। वी आर सीइंग लॉट ऑफ इम्प्रूवमेंट्स, लॉट ऑफ गुड फीडबैक्स। क्या लगता है, व्हाट इज द रीजन बिहाइंड दिस?
Basically, there are 3 different reasons why we are performing well and we are getting more number of customers day to day. The first reason is, the most important part is staff, what we have. Number 2 is the products what we are going to use here. And number 3, the SOPs what we are going to, we have designed and what we are providing is awesome. And you can find, nowhere, because I have worked into past other competitors where, in the same industry. But I have found, especially customers have found this is the better platform and the better brand where they can find all these things. So staffing part, if I can able to say, the staff we have, we will make sure they are getting 100% trained, well professional staff, because customer handling is very important thing. We will train them in all those aspects, and we will give them certain trainings, and once they pass out the training and they get certified, then we will hire them into our salon, so that customer will enjoy that, the service wise and all. The products which we are using, there are 2 different difference between others and us. Okay. Number 1, the pack system of the product what we have is a unique system, and one single kit can be used for only one customer. Okay, that gives customers a feeling that okay, this is a genuine product which is applying only on me. And number 2, the product which we are using are totally non-chemical product. That is the main important thing. You have to love the products of Studio 11.
This is the difference between other brands and your.
Exactly. Yes, there are some products who are using across other brands, but we and what we have gone through the feedbacks of the customer, most of them are really happy with the products of Studio 11. We have wonderful SOPs. It's not like customer आ गया तो immediately हमने बिठाया, बाल कटवाया, भिजाया. That doesn't matter because you are into brand. You have to show what you are into. So we have wonderful SOPs. Yeah, that they are in love with that and customers are happy with that.
काफ़ी अच्छी बात यहाँ पे सुधीर भाई ने बताई कि लाइक कस्टमर्स किस तरह से हैंडल कर रहा है। प्रोडक्ट के बारे में बताई कि 100% ऑर्गेनिक प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, 100% ऑर्गेनिक एक्सपीरियंस यहाँ पे। तो फाइनली व्हाट यू वांट टू कंक्लूड टू अवर ऑडियंस, फाइनल फ्यू वर्ड्स।
See, customer के पास तो they are actually as what we need food day by day, shelter, and this is one thing a beauty industry, right? You want to show yourself very attractive and very beautiful to others. So you have money, choose the right place. Don't rush here and there, and don't try every place. You have to find a right position, right place where you will have quality and visual image, as well as there are 4-5 factors, and don't see the price and don't see the name of brand. You just come and see the service, and if you found it is suitable, then go ahead with that. And I am sure our brand have all the qualities whatever I am talking about. So ours is a premium salon, and don't worry, it's a cost one. No, it's definitely an affordable price. You can definitely come and enjoy the price, and we have almost all we have 100 plus cities in India and 18 plus states. The figure itself shows you in 3 years only we have covered all these things. So that means the customers are happy, the staff are happy, the products are doing excellent job, and you have to choose that.
This video is brought to you by Mahalakshmi Jewelers, Mobile Master, Frespresso Coffee Shop, New Sun Fabrics Cloth Store, and by Madina Chicken World.